Hi guys, Jen J here, and I'm back with another video. You remember this frontal? Yeah, me too. It looked amazing. We loved it. We're like, yes, boo, get your frontal. Until this happened. I can't even explain how much it pains me to look at this footage. But before we get into it, let's try to go through what happened. So I got my hair did. This is the braiding pattern. It wasn't too tight, but it was quite tight. And I didn't want her to detangle my hair or anything like that. It came time to put on the frontal, plucked it out, and she used glue. So she glued it, but she didn't really glue it on my edges. She glued it past my edges. And she really took her time with it, to be fair. After that, she used the blow dryer and, did her thing, sent me on my way. And I was enjoying it. So I've had it for a month. I really was enjoying the frontal. It was looking good. I didn't have to do too much to it. There I am posting all over social media. I loved it. It was a really nice hairstyle. I've never had a frontal before, and I literally fell in love with it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the big day. I'm pretty excited because I get to take out my hair. It looks pretty crazy, and I'm sure you could probably imagine this is what I was going to do. I've had it for 3.5 weeks and my scalp is on fire. It has to go. I'm also excited to finally get to get my fingers in my hair and style it, touch it, scratch it, do whatever I want to do with it, because my hair in this frontal is it's like MIA. It's not on my head. It's not here. So my hair's been on vacation for 3 weeks. I haven't seen it, haven't touched it, we haven't said hi. She hasn't even called me. All the love I've given her over the years, she left and didn't even call to see how I was doing. This is the end of my frontal life. I loved it. I'm pretty sure I will do this again because especially in the winter, it's such an easy way to put your hair away and not have to do anything to it. The only thing I don't like too much is the fact that I find that my scalp is inaccessible, and I have bad dandruff, so I can't even imagine how bad my scalp is right now. But we're gonna deal with it. We're gonna take this out. The past couple of days, I haven't even been tying my hair down at night when I go to bed. That's how lazy I've been, so it does look really bad. So yeah, we're gonna do what we do. The entire time I've had this, I did not redo my baby hairs. I didn't redo my edges. I could have, but I opted not to. I just sort of let it be. The only thing I did at night was tie my edges up with this thing, and I was just put a bonnet on for the rest of my head. I haven't done that in the past couple of days because I knew I was going to take it out today, but that's what I've been doing. I don't even know where to start really, but I guess I'm probably gonna start with the back, because the back are just tracks, so I can just take those out. Maybe I should ask for help. I'm so excited to have my hair back. Would you help me, please? Mm-hmm. So what you have to do is not cut my hair, okay?
Where is it?
Well, you have to dig in. So I think maybe you should start on top. Do you see this? Is that a track?
You see that? Forward. Yeah.
Alright, so if you follow the track, there should be like thread on it. I think that's a thread. Right there. Okay. So that's what you want to cut. Okay? Yeah. The thread only.
Do you care about the hair?
The fake hair?
Yeah.
No. So if you... Huh? In order of priority, it's my hair and then nothing else. Okay? Mm-hmm. Does it look bad? How does my scalp look?
You have a lot of dandruff.
I have a lot of dandruff?
Mm-hmm. Why do you have a purple?
I have a purple what?
Purple hair in here.
Oh, my hair under is braided with purple hair. Because that's what she had and that's what she used. I don't know why.
Just cut one thread. Just cut one thread.
What does that mean, one thread?
You said I had to cut one thread.
No, you have to cut all the threads.
No, well, before this, you said I had to
Oh,
cut
you
one
thought
thread.
you just had to cut. You're gonna be here for like 20 minutes. I didn't say one thread, I said the threads. I'm pretty sure it was like you gotta cut the threads. I said you have to cut one thread?
Yeah.
I would never say such a lie. So you thought you were gonna be here quick things like 2 minutes? Well, the faster you work, the faster you'll be done. It feels so weird there. Oh, it just comes right out.
Thanks so much for watching.
Oh, here's
Let
one.
me know what products you tried or what
Oh, my hair is gone?
below.
Oh my god. I should probably scratch my scalp. Is it as bad all over?
That's worse.
The front's the worst? Wow.
Alright, you good?
Wow, you can't wait to get out of here, huh?
It took like 30 minutes of my day after telling me one line, one string.
Wow, you can't do 30 minutes with me?
You just said one string. False advertisement. Christine was asking me this. After I did all that for you.
Thanks, Stan. Hair is disgusting. Like, this is all literally dandruff. No lie. So at this point, I still don't know what's going on in the front of my hair. So I decided to scratch my scalp a little bit just because it was so disgusting. So when I got my hair done, one thing that she said is that alcohol, so about 90% alcohol will dissolve the glue. So I have me some alcohol right here. And I am going to try to dissolve some of the glue that's still in my hair. So I have quite a bit of glue on this side, well, near my ears. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. And for some reason, the front of my hair burns. Okay, I also have these two things right in the front of my head. I don't know if you can tell, right there and there. I don't know what they are. It just looks like two dark spots and they weren't there before. It wasn't until I took out all the braids that I noticed big old bald spot right in the front of my head. It pains me, y'all. Oh my god. What happened? Huh? That's basically how I felt. So I couldn't give up that night, so I decided to continue the process of washing my hair. I did a scalp treatment. I pre-pooed, I washed, and I did condition my hair. And to be fair, the rest of my hair is flourishing. Look how much it's grown. I also gave myself a nice scalp massage. Used my scalp massager in the shower. I deep conditioned with one of the best deep conditioner I know. And my hair is feeling good. Except for the front of my hair. My scalp was so sensitive there, you guys. So sensitive. So then I sat down and tried to film a video on this, and I honestly just couldn't get the words out. I've been so distressed all week about this. It's been so hard for me. So it's been a week since the incident. Okay, it's not working. Maybe this will help. And to think that this one hairstyle may have damaged my hair forever just really kills me. I've been thinking about it all week. All I do is Google ways to like revive dead follicles, because I really feel like that one spot that is right in front of my head, of course, I feel it. So basically a lot of this happened. Ugh. I feel silly. Needless to say, this video is not going out. But we're gonna keep it moving. I feel like my hair is already feeling better. At least I am feeling better emotionally. So I can start really take care of my hair, give it some nice, tender, loving care. I have an appointment with my doctor. I have an appointment with a dermatologist. Hopefully we can salvage this. I just really pray that the bald spot grows in. I'm not too worried about my edges because I know as soon as I take care of my hair and I'm very gentle with them, they should grow back. But that spot right in the front of my head really affected me, but I really hope that it grows back. If anybody knows what could have happened, please comment below, because I feel like the fact that I don't know what happened is eating me alive. So many people get frontals, so many people get closures, so I just really don't know what happened in my case. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. I didn't mean enjoy like that. I hope you're not enjoying my pain. But you know, it was nice talking to you because you guys have been so supportive on Instagram. I posted about it and wow, I really felt the love. I felt that we were a community and I appreciate you guys so much.